speaking of investigative problems for data breaching and talking about everything that gets hacked, CMT, Cambridge Mobile Telematics, is under investigation for data breach involving driver location and insurance data.
See what I mean? $1.75. You're worried about your $1.75? Look at this thing. Like, it looks like a lawyer, Schubert, whatever, Jan Kier and Kolbe is investigating CMT. We do know, you guys hopefully know what CMT is, right? Cambridge Telematics is what Uber uses for
Smooth Cruiser.
For Smooth Cruiser report, or what is? No, that's Lyft. What's the other one? Uber's.
No, it's.
Is it?
It's just, it's your Smooth Cruiser report.
Yeah. Anyway, so look. First of all, a lot of drivers complain to me that their shit is not accurate. I didn't brake hard. I didn't turn fast. Blah 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 blah. I'm like, hey man, that's what off your phone's gyroscope, and it said so. But it looks like they got hacked, Chris. I wonder how much information they got. So have you guys gotten an email from this lawyer or any other lawyer? Because I would like to get a copy of that if you guys don't mind. Now, CMT did not, as of this writing, which was July 13th, Chris, CMT has not confirmed the incident or notified affected individuals yet. But you know how that goes. Like 4 months later, you get an email saying, oh, by the way, 4 months ago, that happened. But these lawyers are on the ball, I'm pretty sure. They're not just doing it to spend some free time on their hands, you know what I mean? And so have you guys gotten an email from any lawyer or CMT that your information has been compromised? Uber did not make a comment on this. Actually, I would like to hear from Uber what they're saying about CMT. But if you guys got something from Uber or CMT, it's pretty new, but send it to me, Sergio@rideshare.com.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Yeah. Well, either way, it's only literally a matter of time until these things happen. And unfortunately, your data gets leaked in the process. And, as these companies collect more and more data and gather more and more data from other avenues and other sources and basically just bring it all together in one spot, the risk of that type of data getting leaked is even greater. And so, you just got to be very vigilant of the information that you're providing anywhere. Unfortunately, sometimes can you opt out of this? I mean, you can go to their site and opt out, but the reality is it's still in the Uber app. So, I mean, is it actually going to truly opt out, or are you still transmitting that data and then they're still just using it? I mean, do you trust these companies to not use it, or I mean, you got to go by their word, but we all know how that works.
Uber uses always third-party stuff for this, right? Because they don't want to be on the hook in case something like this happens. And CMT is their designated, driver score company that keeps tabs of millions of drivers on billions of trips. And I mean, this did happen. The company didn't admit it yet, but it says on June 2nd, the ransomware group, whatever it says, Coinbase cartel or Coin whatever cartel, claim responsibility for a cyber attack against CMT. So CMT will wait and have their cybersecurity people look at it, and then probably at the end of this month or maybe middle of next month, they'll say, oh yeah, we got hacked, and 1.5 million Uber drivers, all their data was compromised or whatever was compromised. And if you have been compromised, you will get a letter from I don't know if this is equal to like your credit card or bank getting hacked. You know how they send you like free what do you call that, score or credit score protection for a year free or something like that. I don't know what this will. Okay, so you got my data for 30 trips I did this today, every day.
So it says the following
Like,
data may
what
have
are you
been
going to get out of it? I'm
hold
not
on,
sure.
Sergio, hold on. It says the following data may have been compromised in the breach: driving behavior information, including trip logs, acceleration, braking patterns, mobile phone distraction events, location information, including GPS coordinates, travel routes, location history, and personal identifiable information, including user profiles, insurance-related information, and account details. So all of that information put together can paint a nice little picture on people when it comes to it. So especially having personally identifiable information that can actually be used. So yeah, there could be a potentiality where, you know, they could offer you LifeLock for 2 years or something. I don't know. But yeah, it's beyond that. What else could this information be led to? Could this go to insurance companies? Could this go to insurance brokers? Could this go
That could be the
to
problem.
another issue? So I mean, you can't think just of, you know, people who are trying to steal your identity, but now these information, uh I don't know, whatever you want to call them, if they're gobbling up all this information and then they're using all that to build more profile on each individual, you know,
Possibly.
all that data that goes out there could make a bigger picture of you. So, yeah, it's just being smart of where you share things and when you share things versus, you know, sometimes where you have to. So then that way, hopefully, if you know something like this happens, it's very fragmented for you as an individual and it doesn't tie you into other. But unfortunately, as every company decides to go and put everything onto the internet or cloud based or whatever it might be, well,
Yeah.
then when you sign up with your insurance company, well, all that information is going to be online. When you go and sign up for a card at your favorite store, oh, that's all online. When you go to, or when you're in a address book that somebody decides to connect to Facebook, you're in there. So all of that data can aggregate into one thing, and then it can paint a picture, even if you're trying to take steps. So yeah, it sucks, man. It's bullshit.
Well, I think you know, a good friend of the channel, Daniel, said you can actually go to CMT's website and opt out yourself. You actually can. There's an opt-in, opt-out. But since you're an Uber driver and it's their designated driving score compiler, I don't think you can do that through the Uber app. You can on the CMT side, you can go opt out, but I'm not sure if Uber will allow you to drive if you do opt out or if it's connected somehow or not. But so you guys will get letters, and if you do get letters from CMT or the lawyer, and send me a copy of it. I'd like to keep it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.